Hello Germany, it's me, NYSE Einstein from the Florida New York Stock Exchange, inside Wirtschaft, kicking butt, taking names later, market up 250 points. Happy Valentine's Day, all you laughers. Your little laughers, you in Germany and all over the world. Billion shares traded, this market is once again on fire. What have I been talking about? I told everyone to stop, that the sell sides have been orderly and non-chaotic. I've told you about we're trying to build back a foundation. I talked about higher lows yesterday after a sell-off in the morning that built back, getting buyers into the marketplace. When you see higher lows, that is the key to building a new foundation. I talked about finding a bid in the marketplace. That means a buy side, that for all those sell sides that are out there, of people along the way, the more they find out what's going on, the more they're woken up to what their 401k is doing. Those who want to sell are catching a bid. They're catching a bid. Bid are the buyers. Offers are the sellers. This market is catching a bid. That's what we're seeing. The market CPI number came out this morning. Rumor was, or the pundits say that 0.5 was a sell side number on the CPI, which is only 0.5%. Not a big deal, but that in fact is what triggered this morning sell side. Could have been some ETF equalization going on. Could have been just this early morning trade coming out of Euro. I don't even know what it was. More CPI than anything else, because that's what seemed like it forced it down. We opened down 150, 200 points, and then they rallied them back. If you look at the graph, we go from lower left to upper right, and we close at the top of the day. We closed at the top of the day. That's really important to look like. I know you can actually see it behind me. Look, you're seeing it in reverse, but it's like from the far right down to the upper there. For me, it's the other way around. Dow Jones Industrial Average up 250 points. We are at 24.9, almost 25,000. 1,000 points off the low. The Russell up huge, massive, rallying that up 27 points. Spider's up 36. Actually, a lot more than the implied place where the Dow is trading. Transport's up 110. That was probably, even though it was up 110, with Dow up 250, that was probably pulling it down a little bit. Huge reversal back in the oil. I told you that we were catching a bid in oil, that we had retraced from 64.5 down to 58.5, that I felt that that sell side was out, that we were back into the bid side of that, and we've rallied back $1.50 today. Amazing. I think I may actually have been hitting it on all pistons, and better, more right than anything. This market above board. The dollar was off. Oil was up, Brent and regular crude. Gold was up 25 points. Spider's up 35 points. Russell up 30 points. Dow up 260 points. The Dow at 24.5. Volume up 930 million shares. 780, I would say we are 5-to-1 buy side volume to sell side volume. And the transport's up 101. That's a solid, broad-based rally. 100% people coming back into this market. This market has caught a bid. Those who are interested in little bits of discount, that's all that's left. We're down 1,000 points from the all-time highs, maybe 1,300 points. We were as much as down 2,800 points, almost 10% off the highs, and that's been erased. The sell side has been erased. We're back in mode. Whether some of this is short covering, it feels more like real buying because it's inching its way back. We're not spiking in any means. We spiked down and we rally back in a firm, non-chaotic, orderly fashion. That's what I'm talking about. Those are real buyers, real money being put to work. Stick with it. Stay with it. It's unbelievable. Stop the madness. This market's on fire. I love you all. Einstein out for the day.